this question of gate, it is asked in gate 2005. The question is the RTD of a reactor is 0 until 3 minutes. This is asking about this value. This is 0 initially till 3 minutes. Now it is increases linearly to a maximum value Emax. Then it is increases to a maximum value Emax at 8 minutes. Okay. After which it decreases linearly back to the 0. Then it came to the 0 value, okay, at 15 minutes. Now we have to tell what is the value of Emax. Okay. Now we know that to get Emax value, we know that 0 to infinity E et dt is equals to 1. Okay, we have seen that E is nothing, it is just a fraction of taking the molecule, that a molecule is taking how much time to pass that particular reactor. Okay, it's the fraction of the time. So the fraction of the time, if the summation of all the fraction, will get value of 1. So this is 0 to infinity et dt is equals to 1. Now we can write that the area of these triangles, sum of the area of these two triangles is equals to 1. So now we can write the area of, let's say, two triangles we have. This is triangle 1, this is triangle 2. Okay. Now the area of first triangle, we can write that 1 by 2 into base into height. Okay. So the base is this much, that is 8 minus 3. So 1 into 2, 1 by 2 divided into 1, 8 minus 3 into this much height. So what is that? Here it is given Emax. So we have to find out Emax. That's why I am taking the value Emax. This is for this triangle. Now plus for the second triangle, what we can write? 1 by 2 once again, base into height. So base is now here 15 minus 8 into height, once again, that is Emax. So we can write this value. And 0 to infinity et dt is equals to 1. So we can write it equals to 1 here. Okay. Now see what is the value of this? 5 by 2 Emax plus here 7 by 2 Emax is equals to 1. Now if after solving these two, we'll get 6 Emax is equals to 1. It means Emax is equals to 1 by 6. So easily we can get this value, 1 by 6. Emax is equals to 1 by 6. Now the second part of this, what is the value of RTD for this? Okay. To solve the second part, we have to know that there is a fixed relationship between this RTD and this ET. What is that? So that is equals to mean residence time T is equals to, okay, 0 to infinity ET into T dt. This is for RTD, residence time distribution. Now here till this value it is 0, so can we write it at 3 to 8 from this value to this value? Let's say this E, this is also E curve, so let's say this line is E1, okay, E1t into T dt plus for the second line, can we write from 8 to 15, limit 8 to 15, let's say it is called E2t dt, because the area of these two is different. So E1 is for this line and E2 is for this line. Okay. Now to get the E1t, so this value, so to get E1t, can we write, if it is a line, this line, and we have two line equation. We have here 3 comma 0. It is, we can write here 3 comma 0 here, and at this place can we write 8 comma 1 by 6? Yes, of course we can write. So we'll write here 8 comma 1 by 6. Now we know that if we have 4 points, we can write the value of this particular equation. That will be y minus y1 is equals to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 x minus x1. Here this 3, we have 2 points, 3 comma 0 and 8 comma 1 by 6. So 3 comma 0 can be write here x1 y1, and we can write it x2 y2. Okay. Now y minus y1 means we can write e. We can write et, e1 t, whatever you can write, minus y1 value 0 is equals to y2. What is y2? 1 by 6. 1 by 6 minus y1 is 0 divided by x2. x2 is 8. 8 minus x1. x1 is 3. Okay. And here t minus this x1, that is how much? 3. Okay. So after solving this, can we write e1 t is equals to, this value is how much? This value is be 5. So 1 by 30 it becomes 1 by 30 t minus 3. This is for e1 t. We'll put this value here. But we have to also find for e2 t. e2 t is for this value. Let's say it is e1 t, and this line is e2 t. Now once again we have 2 points. Okay. So if you have 2 points for e2 t, we have 2 lines. First line is here, this 8 comma 1 by 6. This is first line, 8 comma 1 by 6. What will be the second point? That is 15 comma 0. We can write here 15 comma 0. So we write 15 comma 0 here. Okay. So this is the x1, this is the y1, this is the x2, this is the y2. Once again we have y minus y1 is equals to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1, here x minus x1. Now at the place of y we can write here e2. So e2 t minus y1. y1 is how much? 1 by 6 is equals to y2 is 0 minus y1 is 1 by 6 divided by x2 15 minus x1 8 x minus x1. What is the value of x1? That is 8. So now at the place of x we can write t. So e2 t minus 1 by 6 is equals to, if you solve it, we will get minus 7 6 are 42. So 142 t minus 8. Okay. This value. Now e2 t is equals to 1 by 6 minus 1 by 42. Yeah, t by 42 we can write here. T by 42 plus, okay, this value we can write 4 divided by 21. Okay, let's say as it is, let's say it is 8 divided by 42. Now we add these two So we can write 15 minus t divided by 42. This E2T value we have E22 value, that is how much? T minus 15. Okay. Yeah, 15 minus t divided by 42. Now we'll put these two value. This is E1t here and E2t here. E2t is equals to 15 minus t divided by 42. These two values we'll put here. Now integration 0 to t, E1t, at the place of E1t we'll put 1 divided by 30, t minus 3 into t dt, plus here, sorry, it is 3 to 8, so we'll write here 3 to 8, 8 to 15, 15 minus t divided by 42 into t dt. So this is equals to, this 1 by 30 is outside, okay. Now t square divided by 2 minus 3t, 3 to 8 plus 1 divided by 42 is common here, so it will be constant. We can write 15t minus t square divided by 2, 8 comma 15. Okay. Now this will be, so just pause the video and solve the whole equation. We'll get the value is 8. Okay. So the option will be 8 minutes. And whatever the calculation is there, we'll get the option. So for this type of question, if it is there, we know that the resistance time distribution is equals to 0 to infinity Et into t dt. And here Emax is, we know that to Emax for 0 to infinity E dt is equals to 1. Okay. So if Emax is there, just put the value and get the Emax. After getting the Emax, we can solve in this way to get the RTD of this value. So this is asked in GATE 2005, for 4 marks it is asked. So you should know the RTD, how to calculate it. Okay.